Truth, what do I want? Don't make me choose. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night. Drunk on a feel.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel today. For those of you who don't know who I am Alexis, and it's nice to meet you. I film a ton of videos on here, whether it's beauty, health, or shopping, like today. I just really wanted to jump on here and kind of give you guys a quick little haul on what I got in Chicago. I went to Chicago yesterday with my little sister, my mom, and my aunt. My aunt lives in Chicago, so we went to visit her and stayed there for a night. And then we also took my sister out to like Rainforest Cafe and stuff for her birthday, so it was super fun. And of course we had to do some shopping in Chicago. So we do not have a HomeGoods. My aunt is the manager of the TJMAXX HOMEGOODS in Chicago, so that's like the first place that we went to. And of course that's where most of all my stuff is from today. So if you guys want to see what I got, then I would suggest to go ahead and keep watching. Those of you who are new and have never stopped at my channel before, I appreciate you guys stopping by. If you guys want to be updated on future videos of mine, you would just have to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. That will just inform you whenever I upload a video. I upload or try to upload a video every single week, so if you guys are interested, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so if you guys are wondering why I'm on my floor right now, I have a ton of stuff behind me that I want to show you guys. Just a lot easier to show you from the floor, I guess, just because there's just so much stuff. Oh my gosh. I spent too much. But if you guys are wondering why I am chilling, it's so chill that it's a chill day, okay? I am in my pajamas pretty much. I'm just in this really cozy sweater and then some sweatpants and my little slippers, and I am just hanging out. In the background you probably will hear my heater. It is freezing in here, so that is going. And yeah, we're just gonna try and stay warm. I got off work early, so I was like, hey, why not film a video on what I got from Chicago, because I've not put it away yet. So if you guys want to see, then let's get started. Alright guys, so here is an overview of some of the stuff that I got. A couple of bags from TJMAXX here, stuff from IKEA, and then we also have stuff from like Bath & Body Works and whatnot. So if you guys are excited to see what I got, then go ahead and just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start with my TJMAXX stuff in these bags here. You guys excited? Okay, so I'm in the process of redoing our bedroom. Let me turn a little bit here for you. We're in the process of redoing our bedroom a little bit, so I wanted to get like new curtains and stuff, so that is what I did. I got these curtains. I got two of these. There's two panels in each, but we have two windows, so I wanted enough for all of them. So it is like this sparkly like sequin pattern. I don't know if you guys can really tell right now. Super cute and not bad pricing at all. These are $20 a thing, so I spent a total of $40 for both of these. I'm so excited to put those up. So I think that's all that's in this bag, is just those two curtain panels. Maybe. No, just kidding. This is from IKEA, so I'll put that with that stuff. So next I have this bag here. Oh, this is so exciting, you guys. I freaking love TJMAXX. Sorry, I'm like, this camera, I don't know if I'm in the view or not, but whatever, you guys can hear me, right? So I also got this pillow here. This is my favorite thing ever. It's so nice. It's so soft. I've wanted a pillow like this for so long. I didn't want like one of those cheapo fuzzy ones. I really wanted like a good quality like white fuzzy pillow, and I have it. The back is like, oh, it's so soft. And I believe this was 20, I think. Yep, 20 bucks for this guy here, and this pillow is so worth it. I love this pillow so much. This is gonna go in our living room. It's in this bag. Oh, this is my favorite. Everything's my favorite. Everything's so cute. I got this guy here. So it's like a 2-tier thing. The top of it is actually gold, but then the actual like color of it is like a teal blue, and I love it because it's like two levels. I don't know what you want to call it, but it does have little handles on it. I got this for, I believe it was 15. Yep, 15 bucks. And what I wanted to do with this was actually put this in our living room. I wanted to put this, or not living room, in our kitchen. I wanted to put this kind of like by our Keurig. So I wanted to put like our K-cups down here. Maybe put like cream or like powdered cream and sugar and stuff like that on top. And maybe like a couple mugs just displayed on here. Oh, I'm just so excited. It's so cute. So this is the last thing that I got from TJMAXX. This is what did it all. When I found this, I was like, that's it. We're doing our bedroom black, or not black, gray and white. And then I, of course, like went and tried to find like everything to match it. So I did get it for a good price. It was only 36 bucks. And it's actually magnetic. And it comes with these little things here, and you can actually stick like pictures and stuff on it. But I don't know if I'd actually use that. We'll see. But I like this a lot. It's gray and white, and it says, always find time for the things that make you feel happy to be alive. And I love that. I love it so much. I decided to pick that up, and we're going to put it in our bedroom. Okay, Max. Now I'm going to show you guys what I got from IKEA. This first thing here is something I've wanted for a while now. Ooh. It's a, it's like a comforter. I don't know what they're called, but they're like super fluffy, and they're just, oh, they're so amazing. But the one I got was this. It's called Rodtapa. It's a full/queen, and I think it was like warmer or cooler, as in like it keeps you warm at night, or if it cools you down at night. I'm always so freaking cold, so I got the one that warms you up at night. I'm super excited for this. It's just literally like this big white like fluffy thing, and you don't even have to use it as a comforter. You can just kind of keep it on your bed because it's really comfy. It's like a foam type of, but it's not, if that makes sense. It doesn't, but it's okay. But for that comforter piece, I actually picked up a cover for it. So this is the Hostoga. It's a full/queen, and again, that gray and white theme. So I thought that would look really good with the picture and the curtains and stuff. And then I also got this pillowcase. It's super cute, although I think I'm missing my pillow. I bought a pillow with this pillowcase because it's like that certain size. Maybe my mom has it, or maybe it will fit over the pillow I already have. I don't know, we'll see. But this is super cute. It's like this ruffle type squish material. And this is actually a light gray, and I'm super excited. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that. That is just ridiculously long. So next I have from IKEA are these white hangers. These white hangers I've wanted for so long. They're actually only $5 a package, so I thought that was a pretty good deal because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 of these for $5, so I am so excited for these. I'm going to hang up all my clothes. I got a total of 4 of them, so about 20 bucks for 16. I don't know, I'm not doing math, but I got quite a few of them. Yeah, no, maybe so. There we go. So next I got from IKEA was this light that hangs up from the ceiling. So this is just the cord for it. It was $3.50 from the clearance section. And then this is the light that I got. They didn't have any more of this one, so I actually just bought the display. Yes. And it was only $6. I was so excited. It's basically, let me see if this can come out or not. So big. It looks a lot different when it's lit up. It looks like a totally different color almost, so I'm gonna do this without breaking it, right guys? So it would basically look like this. Oh my god, it's so cute! And then it lights up. I thought that was so freaking cute. Ugh. So that was actually really cheap, but heck yeah. Excuse me. A couple picture frames. I have my cosmetology license, and then I'm going to school to get my RN, so I will be putting that license in here as well. So I just wanted to pick up a couple of those from IKEA. But next I have this Bath and Body Works bag. I don't know if you guys have been following me for a while, but if you have not, I've been trying to cut out gluten and dairy and focus a lot on health for my skin and my body. So I'm already allergic to a ton of stuff, so it's hard for me to find like body wash and stuff like that. But my mom actually found these at Bath and Body Works, and it's like all natural. It is, let's see where it's at. It's formulated without parabens, sulfates, phthalates, petrolatum, artificial colors, and gluten. I'm actually allergic to petrolatum, so that's kind of cool that it notes that. And to me, I personally think I have an allergy to gluten, so I just wanted to try this. This is, I guess I'm not going to focus, and I don't know why I thought it would, so hold on. So this is Pure Simplicity. It's almond milk body wash. They're small, so I got 2 of them, but they were 75% off on all of these little guys. So they were originally $6.50 and then 75% off of that. So I was like, I might as well just try it, right? So this is the almond milk body wash. Actually a body oil, and they're all hypoallergenic. It's the same line, Pure Simplicity, and this one is same thing, free of gluten and petrolatum and parabens and stuff like that. It's actually just an oil, so it's a moisturizing oil, body oil. It also says this is vegan. I believe you would just use this like as a moisturizer if you just want to apply it, but I'm actually going to try it in the shower too, maybe like on my loofah with my body wash, and get a little bit more of some more moisture. But this is what it looks like. And last but not least today, it's just this random store in the Navy Pier. I just picked up a t-shirt, just a Chicago t-shirt, but it's gray and white, and I love gray and white right now. I absolutely love it, so I did pick that up. So just a t-shirt to wear to like school or maybe go to bed in, stuff like that. And then this is actually funny because my sister and my mom and I and my aunt, we went to a children's museum, and in the children's museum there was like games and stuff for my little sister. They can do like arts and crafts and like play with toys and all kinds of different stuff, and It was a pretty big place, but in the little like wood shop area where kids can like make stuff, there was like fabric and like string, and they can just make whatever they want. Well, me and my mom and my aunt were a little competitive on making something creative out of the stuff that we had. So I ended up making like a picture frame almost. This is the back, so it looks kind of odd at first, but this is like a piece of wood. It's super thin, and then back here I nailed a block of wood to it, and then this is just some string. But how freaking cool is this, you guys? I made a little picture frame, and we ended up taking pictures at the museum in this like little booth, and I was like, that'll be so perfect, I'll put it in my picture frame that I made. So we ended up taking like some goofy pictures there, and it's perfect because it fits right in this thing. I gotta hold this down. I might tape it or something, hot glue it, I don't know. But this one's not staying very well. But when it is staying there, how cool is that? And then I made it there, so it's a little more sentimental to me, so that's pretty cool. The block of wood is going to help. I'm going to put it on my shelf in my beauty room, so it's just going to kind of like sit there like that. And I just thought that was super neat, so I'm excited for that. But that is pretty much it. That is everything that I got while I was out and about. I spent a little too much money, but it was so exciting, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't miss out on any future videos of mine in the future. So I will see you guys in my next video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!